What if you could teach machines to create art, write stories, compose music, or even build entire worlds, all from a few words of input? Welcome to the world of generative AI. In this full course, we'll take you from absolute beginner to skilled creator. By the end, you'll understand how it works, how to use it, and how to build your own AI-powered creations. Let's get started. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze or predict, it creates. From generating realistic human faces to writing poems in the style of Shakespeare, it uses algorithms that learn patterns from data and generate new original content. Think of ChatGPT creating an essay or MidJourney creating a painting, all from your prompt. Under the hood, generative AI is powered by machine learning models, most commonly neural networks, that learn from massive datasets. Two popular architectures are GANs, generative adversarial networks. One AI generates content, another AI judges it. They compete until the output is realistic. Transformers. Models like GPT and BERT process language in context, enabling them to write, translate, and reason like humans. Generative AI isn't just for researchers anymore. Here are tools you can use right now. ChatGPT and Claude text generation and creative writing. MidJourney, DALL-E, stable diffusion image generation. Runway ML video creation and editing. SoundRaw and AI music composition. GitHub Copilot, AI-powered coding. Generative AI is transforming industries, entertainment, scriptwriting, game design, music, marketing, ad copy, visuals, product descriptions, education, automated tutoring, content creation, healthcare, drug discovery, medical imaging. Mastering generative AI isn't just about knowing tools. It's about crafting effective prompts. Be specific. A 4K realistic painting of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses. Add style, in the style of Van Gogh. With great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI raises concerns about deepfakes and misinformation, copyright and ownership, bias in AI outputs. Always verify your sources and use AI ethically. If you want to create your own AI model, here's the roadmap. Learn Python and basic machine learning. Understand deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Train models on datasets relevant to your goal. The next decade will see AI generating entire virtual realities, producing films with minimal human input, and creating personalized content for every individual. Generative AI isn't the future, it's the present. The question is, how will you use it? If you enjoyed this course, share it with others and start creating today. The world is waiting for your imagination.